So what if my name is taken? What if the name that you want to use is taken?
I'm Blogging Brandy, and this is BLABoss, where I teach you how to brand like a boss so that people will want to blab about your brand. Be sure to stay tuned until the end of this video because your name is just one part of your brand story. You're still going to want to come up with things like your logo and your font and colors, and I'll show you how to do all of that at the end of this video and essentially like how to get started doing it. So if someone's using your name, in what capacity are they using it? Are they just securing the website and they don't have any of the social handles, or do they have all the social handles and not the website? Because I would prefer to have all the social handles and not the URL domain name for the website, because you can make anything the URL. What if the name is taken? I used a variation of Brand Like a Boss when I did this book. Somebody has the URL Brand Like a Boss, but they didn't have the acronym BLAB. And another thing that I really liked about this is it meant blab. So since the whole book is about branding and creating a brand for your business, I thought it would be a little creative to say blab. So people can blab about your business. Blab. See? You get it? You get it? Is it ringing? You want to come up with a variation. So how do you come up with a variation? Well, I would go to Google, honestly, and search business name generator. And I wouldn't just search name generator because you'll get like baby names and stuff. So I would put in business name generator or free business name generator, and it'll pop up a whole bunch of stuff. For me personally, I've used one called Lean Domain Name Search or Lean Domain Search, and I've also done one with Shopify that they have. And you can find tons of them, but those are some that I've used and I really like them. So you literally will just put in the name and it'll generate a whole bunch of other things to go with your name. So if you put in Brandy, it might say Brandy Business, Brandy Brand, Brandy Store, Brandy Shop, Brandy Online, Brandy Pink, Brandy Blue, Brandy. It'll literally just Brandy, 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 Brandy. Or if I put in blogging, it might say blogging trees, blogging books, blogging coffee. And it'll come up with a bunch of stuff like that. So those are some ideas for some business name generators. So if all else fails and you need some help, you can always hit me up, of course. But Fiverr.com is somewhere I go if you're just looking for something cheap and you're trying to just get by, and you get what you pay for, I will say that. But if you're just getting started, it's a really good place to start. Fiverr.com, Fiverr, and you can get a lot of things done for $5. It's really just a way for you to kind of meet these people and test them out, and then if you keep using them, they'll probably start charging you more, or if you want more advanced services, they'll charge you more, but you can get a lot of things done for $5. I've seen where people will say, hey, give me $5, I'll give you 5 different names for your business, just tell me what your business is about. And they'll help you come up with a name for your business. So there's tons of services out there. I would just Google name generators or naming contest, or reach out to your email list, friends, family, and say, hey, I'm having a naming contest. If you already have a product or service and maybe you're trying to come up with a name for something, you could do a naming contest like that. Go to Fiverr. I would honestly just look up business naming or put in naming service, business naming, something like that. It'll pop up, trust me. So now you know how to choose a name for your business, but do you know how to come up with everything else for your business? What about your logo and your font and your colors? What about everything else that you need? A tagline? There's so much to building your business and it can get really overwhelming, but don't worry, I've got you covered. It's your boss branding guide. You can pick that up in the description below this video. I'm Blogging Brandy. This is BLABoss, aka Brand Like a Boss. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. In the next video. In the next episode, the next video, the next anything, right?